Kumusta mga igsoon? Maadjong buntag, maadjong adlaw, maadjong gabi. Kung asa man mo karon, og welcome back sa akong channel. Og karon magluto ta og spare ribs. Tara. Og karon na natay spare ribs, usa ni si ka kilo. Usa ni ka kilo. So, ang atong buhaton karon ato sa ning kuhaoning ni ay gahi nga parte din kining kuan. Ano si Jai murag silupin. Although pwede ni si Jang makaon unda kay maluto mo po pero mas lami og kuha ni. Diba? Kuan lang gahi ni si datang tangon. So tara, tang-tang na. Uli. Pero pwede na siya kanon gyapon iuban sa kuan pagluto. Pero mas maadyo gud nga wa na siya. So ang among himuon ani i-slice na ni naho. Ang ahong gihimo ani ning i-divide sa 6 ka tawo. Kay unuman kabuok ang mukaon. So in a bowl, I am going to mix my powder ingredients. So I have here garlic powder. I have here dried basil, ground red paprika, cumin, and the ground black pepper. So, and also salt, and from Philippines, Ginisa mix. Ayan. So, all ingredients. Half of this Ginisa mix. In addition to these mixtures, I also have to put an oyster sauce and soya sauce. I put around 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and oyster sauce about 2 teaspoons as well. And I put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then I put 1 whole juice of lemon. Mix it all. Be sure that you have mixed everything. And also I am going to put sweet chili sauce. It's 1 tablespoonful around, and cornstarch 1 teaspoonful. And also mixed. And now I will put to these mixtures 2 cups of fresh water. So now I am going to transfer all the ingredients what we have, starting with the ribs. So you see that then I am going to add my liquid mixture mixtures. So this is what I like, partially submerge the meat. The plate is set to medium hot, and I will keep it boiling for about 1 hour. So 30 minutes pass, and we will check. Look at that. At kailangan lang natin baliktarin ito para masiguro talaga natin na yung absorption ng karne ng lahat ng ingredients na nilagay natin dito ay equal. At especially na rin yung pagkalambot ng karne ay equal din. So, kasi konting liquid lang yung nilagay natin dito eh. So kailangan talaga na maging equal yung kalambutan niya. Almost out of liquid, so I am going to transfer it to the baking tray and put it inside the oven. Transfer na natin sa baking tray at ipapasok ko na doon sa oven. The oven is already preheated and it is ready to go. Ayun, nakapasok na sa oven. Nakaset yun ng 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Hayaan ko lang siya doon ng 30 minutes hanggang sa maging ready na siya, maging crispy. And 30 minutes is passed, and our juicy inside and crispy outside spare ribs is now ready to serve. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, stay safe.